Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is 1998 Mercedes Benz S as in Sam 500 S500, and we have a problem with what they call the blower motor. The blower motor is not working. This car have automatic air condition. You see here, this is the switch for it after you start the car, and it has a module here. You see here, it have a small computer that built into the, you can take it and change it. You see you have switch, a screwdriver here, a screwdriver, and this is a computerized modulator. That means it take power, ground, and signal from the blower motor. That means the more voltage come in or the less voltage come in, that means is a speed, or you can say like a modulated signal that is coming here, and the computer will understand that, and based on the signal it will increase the power that coming to the blower motor, so the blower motor will work faster. The customer say that the car is working and the blower motor doesn't work again. He smelled something and then it stopped. So we have to come and understand the wiring diagram and how does it work. First, before you do anything, go to your computer and look for the wiring diagram. I look at the wiring diagram at Identifix or Mitchell on demand or Moro. This wire here is coming from the blower motor signal, which is here, and is modulated signal. That the more it depends. The more voltage, the higher the speed, or the less voltage, the higher the speed. It depends. This is the ground. From here, everything is calculated inside this computer, and the ground come here, and the power come here, and the speed will be regulated based of the input from the computer to here. Now, the first thing we have to do is, this one here is coming from fuse number 23 under the hood fuse box. It have a power. It could be power all time, or it could be power with the engine running, or engine running and ignition on. So now, and this is full ground all the time. I have the tester light here. So now I will try to check the ground first. Okay, if I put the ground, this is a ground. I cannot check it good, but let me go like this. I'm gonna check this. This is a ground. You see on the ground side, I have ground good, and the top one is power. I have 0 voltage. Now this one here is a variant. Like, if I put it here, I will get some reading. Hello, excuse me, give me some help here. Give me some help. Go other side, start the car, and put. Okay, you're gonna start the car, and he will put. Okay, put the AC on. On now. Turn it off. Yes, thank you, because I don't want to get copyright. Okay, now I'm gonna put this one. You see here, I'm getting 0.5 volt. And how much the speed there? Full, right? Yeah. Go down. Okay, the more you go down, it goes down to like 1 volt. That's 1 speed. Turn it off. Turn this one off. When you turn it off here, we have a ground. So by turn it on and go to 1 speed. Okay, this is like 1 speed or a slow speed. Go more. You see, the more you go on the voltage, again more full. The full is 6. So we have good here. Now the ground also we have. Our problem here is this one. You see, I'm using the camera with my one hand, and you see here, this here, I don't have no voltage, 0 voltage. If I come through the big connector here, you see, I have no voltage, zero voltage at all. On the ground side, maybe I have something on the ground, zero voltage. Ground is good. It's not easy to work with one hand, right? Anyhow, we have ground full, computer sense signal, there is no power. We're gonna go look for the power. There is a fuse, the fuse box B as in boy, which is on the right side of the car. You see this fuse box here? This is our power and ground here. So you see this fuse here? We have power in one side. We have power in here too. That means the fuse box power, turn the key off. That means this power is all the time. So we have power coming out of it. But what we don't have is it never reach, this power never reach the blue motor. Sometimes this fuse get burned. You see here? But this one, it look good. If you watch some videos, the fuse is burned and sometimes the fuse are here. This fuse is good. So now we're gonna look for visual inspection in this area here. You see our wire coming from there is yellow, red and yellow and red, full power. So we're gonna look at it here, maybe something happened. I found that this is what I found, the first wire. You see this wire here? I found it there sitting like this. You see here? Hold this for me, please. Now this is, you see? This is the wire that's coming from here, coming from that fuse. If I take that fuse out, let me see. If I take, you see here, I have power here. If I take this fuse out and I try to come here, there is nothing. See, there is nothing. So that means this fuse here, hold this for me. That means this, put it there. That means this fuse here is belonging to this one, which is good. So now we know for sure there is a connector here. Somehow this connector is messed up, and you see the other part of it is this one. See, this is the other part. So for sure I'm gonna disconnect this. I don't want no short. The first blue motor was replaced because of this issue. So what I am going to do is I will cut this wire from here. I will cut these two wires. I will connect them here, clean them, solder them, tape it, and then we have a fuse that is good. This is only because of the resistor. You remember on the other video that I did it for the C300, also the two connectors melt together. This is very high speed electrons or amp go through any overload or anything that push them back, it will create this issue. So our job now is to cut those wires and connect them together, solder them, tape them, and then we go inside to see if we have power and ground. Stay with us. Here, now it's ready. Just here. Follow my hands. Okay, now I'm going here. I take the fuse out. So I'm going here to cut this one. Okay, and I will cut this one. You see, right? Those cuts, and I will clean them. If you are not able to do it this way, because I need the clean one, and this way. After that, we're gonna see if we have power coming there. Okay. Okay. Now I have to bring this one. Come here. I'm gonna take this one piece out. You can tape it or anything that you want to do, but let me cut it with this one. I'm gonna keep this. This one is going to be down there, all the way down there. So what I need to do here is the longer you have it, the more space you can do. So I'm gonna try to cut this one more with my razor blade. Where is my razor blade goes? You know, that's why when the people on the operation room, the doctor doesn't want to look for where is that piece go.
Yeah, maybe I give him instrument.
Maybe I forget it somewhere. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this one here. And I will cut this one also here. Okay. Now I'm gonna clean it. It's gonna clean. Come near also. You can come near all the way. Viens ici. Les gens vont le voir. Okay, here. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go through this one like this. Okay, now if I put the fuse here, here is good now. Now come with me here. حبيبي 1 دقيقة كيف حالك؟ إن شاء الله طيب، كل سنة طيب. الله يديك العافية. دقيقة بس، تعال معي. كيف أخبارك؟ طيب.
عايدين ان شاء الله. السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
كيف طيب؟
والله
بارك الله. تفضل معنا فيديو في اليوتيوب. اوكي معنا فيديو في اليوتيوب، تفضل معنا. Okay, now you see here this power. I have power. Here I have ground. Here I gotta have zero, but after I turn I'm gonna have signal. Now I'm gonna hold this one good like this. I will connect it. But please, okay, let me connect it. But be careful because you don't want to cut your hand. Normally for testing only, but I believe I don't need to do that. Okay, let me see. Okay, hold on. I gotta put it just a little bit. Okay, can you just put the AC on for me? Start the car first. Now, put it on. Yeah, you see? Yes, thank you. See here? Now my fan is working this time. Now you can turn it off. Thank you. So we have everything good now here. That means the first blue motor was being replaced for no reason. The next step to do is to come here and we're gonna solder this one. After we solder it, we're gonna solder it good. And then we're gonna move this shrink tube here, or you can tape it and you put everything back together and it will be okay. So we're gonna come back. Okay, now I have this tool here. It's very good.
يا محمد انا برجع لك ان شاء الله.
اوكي ما في مشكلة. ما الآن ابني يسوي لك؟
والله مستعجل.
خلاص ما عندك، كل سنة وانت طيب.
وانت طيب، برجع لك ان شاء الله.
أي وقت حبيبي. شكرا. Okay, now I am doing this one here, and this is very good to have it. Yeah, I can put a link for it to get it. To welding these wires, you see how beautiful it is. You can solder all of it, make it so nice. You see the owner of the car is looking at me, so he wanna buy this one. I never get him again. I will go out of business soon. Okay, so now with this, take this pin out. I'm gonna show you. Come with me. You can pause it. You pause it. The camera is there. Watch your hand here. You come. Ça c'est la caméra. Seulement avec la main droite.
Okay.
Okay, now you see here. I'm gonna put this one here. See here how it is. And then you have a lot of heads. I took this one out. So right now you see the heat is here in this place. What I'm gonna do with it is, this piece here is good, so come with me. I'm going to take this one out, this piece here out, and I will try to push it here, if it's possible. Yeah, Mahmoud, 1 minute. So hold on. Hold on. 1 minute, Mahmoud. Okay. You see now? I finish it. And that's it. You can get this one here. It have a couple of functions. You can stop it now. Retake. Now, if you need this one here, this is very good tools. You can have it. Okay. You can put it here after you finish. where is the other one? That's supposed to be somewhere here, and you can cover it. Try to be sure you close it. When you buy it, it's coming with a small solder here. Those are 2 keys. One is here. I don't know where I put the other one. Okay, and this is the soldering. And that's it. So now we're gonna go put everything back, and we are good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. Also, you can get this one here to put it into the places that you want to fix them. It works. It works good too. So this one here is done. I believe everything is good now. We just have to cover those fuses. You see, wherever it is here, put them good. This is fuse B. This is what happened to fix it. I'm gonna put tape here too for this too. I don't know what it is for, but we have to put some tape there. I'm gonna put it there. So cover this. This is one fuse, fuse B, and this is another fuse box here. I believe this is another one, and the last one. Excuse me, put this one for me there. And the last one, let me show you what it is. And the last fuse box is here. There is nothing at this place. You're gonna open this and you come here. You see this light here for the seat? Here, pull it this way. When you pull it from the bottom, because the top have to go in, out first. And here you have fuses. And that fuse here, this one, the one here, you see this? This one is for the door lock, unlock by the remote. If the remote is not working, check this one. And to put it in, put inside first. Okay, put inside first. Be sure inside, go inside first. And then you put this one same way. Okay, that's 3 places, and we're good to go. Thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe, share, and like. And this is S500 W220 engine chassis, Mercedes Benz.